notice it has a lot of like they feel like fur almost. That's found in the leaves. Scalecias are found in very dry places like this. So this is an adaptation to trap moisture from the environment. It gets trapped into the leaves, and that's how the plant finds humidity in dry places. However, there is a few Scalecia species that are found up in the highlands, where it's very humid all the time. So those daisies are going to grow taller, giant. How tall are daisies usually? Taller than the trees you see around. They're giant daisies. That's very interesting, very amazing about these plants. Oh, take a look. Do you hear it calling? Hear the calling of the bird?
Yeah.
That is typical of the male. See? That's the male. And the male sings like that. Females do not have a calling that sounds like that. It is mostly trying to find its female. There we go. If the egg shell is rigid, like it happens in birds, that's going to make it crack. This is an adaptation to avoid this from happening. As it is so flexible, it doesn't crack. The next reason behind the egg not cracking the eggshell is because the female is going to produce a very viscous liquid along with the shell, with the egg. So when it calms down, it doesn't drop like dropping something from the air. It is going to do it nicely. And the flexibility helps the egg and avoids it from cracking.